to our channel. Today I'll be reviewing this product called Sufflett in IKEA. So this is like a bed, a canopy over your bed. So this involves one of these, like you see in the picture. This is not suitable for baby scots, but you could use it for single beds. So this is 100% polyester. I got it in IKEA and it has a pink one. I've got a pink one, but there's some other colours available. So let's open it. It's suitable for bed sizes up to 90 centimeters. So it's here. This is the sheet that I read off. So here's the instruction manual found inside this. So on the first couple of pages, it tells you some information in different languages. It says in English, warning, prevent strangulation or entanglement, never place or an attachment crib. So here are the instructions of how to fit it. So it tells you different parts and how to fit it. So this is the last page. And then when you fit it, it looks like this on here, as you can see. So let's go and fix it. So I came to my room and then I opened all the contents which are here. So there's 3 of these, as you can see. And there's this main part, which is like a cover. And it has a warning that you have to keep this away from fire. So I'm going to fix this right now. I think I should get help with an adult, and you should too, because this is hard and you should know what to do. So as you can see in this picture, there are 3 rods given, 1, 2, 3, and in real life they look like this. So they're quite big. So we've attached 2 of them already, which is the one over here and the one at the back, but you can't really see it. So we've got 1 more of this to attach on the end, so it makes it more stable. So let's do it! So before you have to attach the rods, but like this, so you pull them and then you just put them in the hole. So it's like a mini magnet, but you have to actually do some pushing yourself. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to assemble the last piece with help from my dad. So we're nearly done, so all that's left to do is to tie these knots underneath and get the mattress and put it over. So this is what it looks like, the base of it, so you still need to do some other things. So you can fold it like this. So that's really handy when it comes to day. So I'm going to finish it. So now we're basically done. All that's left to do is to tie these front knots, as you can see here, and the back knots over here. You can see them in the picture over here as well. So you have to take the mattress then and then put it over so it doesn't fall over like that. So this is also foldable, and you can just put it there and open it back when it's night time. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!